Hello everyone, this is just a short review on using the R820T SDR software defined radio dongle with SDR touch on a Google Nexus 7 Android tablet. This is the original Mark 1 Nexus 7 if you like. Okay, so at the moment we're on band 2 FM, which is 88 to 108 megahertz here in the UK. It's a bit of volume, and that's radio 2, BBC Radio 2. There it is again. Now notice, or you may notice, let's turn that down not to get done for copyright infringement. I've actually got it set to narrow FM, which seems to work fine because you can vary the bandwidth by simply doing this. So you can go quite sharp. Let's just see what that sounds like.
But the dirt has got into the bloodstream, then of course it doesn't matter how well you clean it.
A little bit off frequency, but it doesn't really matter.
But it does just remind us that if people are, whether they're gardeners, whether they're whatever, it is really important to keep up to date.
There is a slight frequency error on this thing actually. Anyway, let's just zoom out of this. So we can get a bit of aircraft stuff. To change frequency is quite simple. Set megahertz. Just tap there. And 128 decimal 050. Need to change to AM by simply tapping on the mode switch button there. AM. A bit of volume on. Would go quiet now, wouldn't it? So look at the spectrum and the waterfall display. I've just missed one there. There we go, just monitor that frequency. You can see quite a few weaker signals there. It's a very useful device. If you're going to use it on a PC or a laptop, I would recommend two programs. One is SDR Sharp, which gives you a similar sort of interface to this, but I prefer HD SDR, and to me it's more user friendly, but both work rather well, and I will do a video on them. I've got them both on an old Vista 32-bit laptop. You don't need anything fancy to use them. Keep missing something down there. Must admit the spectrum isn't spectrum analyzer display isn't exactly wonderful on this. Let's see if we can. I don't really know any aeronautical frequencies around here. I know 128050 works quite well, some sort of data transmission there. There you go. As I said earlier, there's a slight frequency error. The aerial's just a half-wave dipole in the attic, which is resonant at around about, it's actually resonant at about 95 megahertz, because I do a lot of FM broadcast listening during the sporadic E season in the summer. So there you go. Now with the addition of, let's zoom out a little bit, this thing, which is a very cheap HF converter. It's basically a 50 megahertz oscillator and a mixer. Because the dongle itself only tunes down to about 24 megs, this gets you right down. In fact, you can listen to long wave on this, and I will now attempt to swap over and demonstrate it. So what we need to do, I'll just quieten that down. Just unplug that aerial. Plug this one in. The USB is just to give it a 5-volt supply. This is a Wellbrook loop I'm plugging in. Okay, all being well, I should be able to let's try the 40 meter amateur band. So that'll be 57. You have to add 50 megahertz to the frequency you want to listen to. You get lots of signals there. So let's try lower sideband. Not really, all that. Not really played with this a great deal, so let's see how it goes. Try and get as narrow as possible. Some SSB there. That's got a carrier in. Not having a great deal of success. It's just turn the gain down a bit. That was on auto. AGC auto gain control. Try manually setting it. Sounds like the wrong sideband. Okay, we'll try another band. Okay, this is 14.328 we're listening to now. Not brilliant, it is working, but it's not brilliant. Now, as you can hear, that definitely needs some more development. Right, that just gives you an idea. Another piece of software is called WaveSync. I just need to put the VHF aerial back in. And you can do DAB, DRM and RDS with this. Does struggle a bit with some of the radio stations for some reason. As you can hear. That's DAB, so it's working quite well, but you can also use just FM stereo. Quite a few memories as well, as you can see. Perhaps you can't because I'm put my hand in the way. think.
Yes, you know, should the doctors be go in? Should we all be steam cleaned the moment we get into hospital, whether we're visitors or doctors? Difficult to know, really. Certainly, I mean.
There's the RDS data, or some of it, Radio 2. It's telling you what the programme is, and if I just zoom in.
Talking about infections in hospital. In the great history of 20th century music, the Everly Brothers are the national treasure.
Too close.
Lots of people were affected by the Everly Brothers' sound. Simon and Garfunkel were, the Beatles were. They were pretty
Yeah, I think it would definitely benefit from a larger, a 10-inch tablet for the larger display, but it gives you quite a lot of data there. Signal to noise ratio, frequency, etc. Bit of a spectrograph there. So that's two Android tablet SDR type programs you can use, and they're both relatively cheap, and one of these dongles is, I don't know, about £8. Have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.